controversial Texas immigration law remains stalled in court.
That law, known as SB 4, would grant state and local law enforcement in Texas the power to detain an individual suspected of arriving illegally.
An appeals court heard the case Wednesday. NBC's Morgan Chesky has the latest for us.
The debate over this controversial immigration law only continues. That three-judge panel heard oral arguments yesterday but have yet to make a decision. And until they do, Texas doubling down. Governor Greg Abbott calling the crisis here on the southern border a catastrophe, as the Biden administration has stressed time and time again that when it comes to enforcing immigration law, that is not a state but strictly a federal responsibility. Now, we had a chance to speak to local law enforcement across the state, which echoed similar sentiment, and that is, while they are well aware of what this new law would entail, giving them the ability to arrest migrants suspected of crossing illegally, there are many law officers that are unsure on how they would put it into practice. They are still awaiting guidance from the state and potential training on what they would tell police officers or deputies on how to put SB 4 into practice. And keep in mind, this would also allow state judges the ability to deport migrants back to their country of origin. On that note, we've heard again from Mexico, their president saying that SB 4 is both draconian and dehumanizing, emphasizing the point that they would not accept any migrants deported by the state of Texas. Now, as for the legal path forward here for SB 4, we know that this same panel of judges will hear more oral arguments again on April 3rd to discuss the constitutionality of the law. But legal experts say that considering the tepid response these judges showed in yesterday's arguments, currently SB 4 is on shaky footing. Morgan Chesky, NBC News, Eagle Pass, Texas.
By the way, no arrests were reported for the few hours that SB 4 was in effect.